guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I'm sharing a new nail art tutorial on how to do some stamped nail art. I just randomly grabbed some plates from my own collection. I have a couple right here in my little book cabinet, but I have a ton more that I don't really have space for to really display in my nail room. So yeah, I was like, let's not forget about the ones that I actually don't really see on a day-to-day basis and just go through them and pick a few and have some fun with stamping. So yeah, I'm just gonna quit the rambling right here and I really hope you will enjoy this design. If you have any questions or comments or anything like that, let me know in the comment section down below. And of course, if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would like to do so. Hit that notification bell as well and become a part of my little nail family here at YouTube. But yeah, for now, thank you so much for watching. I love you so much and I hope to see you in my next video as well. So let's get into this entire design tutorial, my tips and tricks on how to stamp. But first of all, of course, welcome to my channel. And I will be showing you what I had applied on my right hand already, because I always use gel polishes on my right hand. Simply because I love regular and gel polishes and I tend to work with both of them. But yeah, I had already done this set, I think a day before I started stamping. So I already applied the Soak Off base by Madam Glam, cured that for 30 seconds, and then I went in with 2 coats of this beautiful, like soft golden but super glittery gel polish from their August collection. I've done a full-on swatch video on that collection, so if you're curious about that, definitely check it out. But yeah, at the end, after you've cured everything for the proper amount of seconds, you want to go in with your top coat and cure that as well, or get rid of the tacky layer if you want to stamp right upon that. So I just got a bunch of different plates. I've got some by Nicole Diary, I've got some different ones, actually from a brand I haven't used much yet. So yeah, I'm really excited to use those as well. And that brand is actually called Beauty Big Bang. I am not working with them or anything like that, and neither am I for the other stamping plates that I'm using in this particular video. But I have just recently gotten my hands on a couple of their plates on AliExpress, so I purchased these myself and I'm just really feeling Halloween-y at the moment. Is it too early for Halloween? I think not, because for me personally it could be Halloween like 24/7, like every single day of the year, because I just love it so much. Unfortunately, it isn't really celebrated here in the Netherlands as big as it is in the States yet. It is starting to grow on us Dutchies, but if it were up to me, we would be doing big Halloween parties here in the Netherlands as well. But yeah, before going in, if you haven't ever stamped before, make sure to remove the blue film that's on these plates. And what I like to do is just to remove, or at least use some remover to really clean the plate as well before going in. You might need some tape as well as, of course, a good stamper and scraper to actually apply the images from those stamping plates to your nails. As usual, I'm using my favorite stamper by Essence Cosmetics. Unfortunately, this one is discontinued, but there are a lot of similar squishy ones out there as well. I just really love that one because it was so affordable. And of course, do not make a big old mess on wherever the area is you're doing your nails. I use a little bit of like a kitchen towel or anything like that, just to make sure that none of the polish will get onto my table or work desk or anything like that. And to keep it really simple for this like beginners kind of tutorial, I'm just going to use one stamping polish color, which is a black one by Nicole Diary. As I mentioned, you can all get the products that I'm using in this particular video as far as the stamping goes at AliExpress. Just look them up, they're really easy, really affordable, and I actually really love the stamping polishes by Nicole Diary as well. So yeah, definitely check them out. So I'm just going to stamp it on. As I already mentioned, I did apply the no wipe top coat on forehand to my nails, but if you are going to do a stamp design while actually doing your gel polish manicure, just make sure to remove the tacky layer after you're done with your final color coat. For me, I use the glitter, so if I didn't apply the top coat yet, I would definitely make sure to get rid of that tacky layer from the glitter coat. You can do that with a little bit of like rubbing alcohol. I tend to use the 96% alcohol a lot for that. The reason why you want to do that is to not ruin your stamper, because the sticky tacky layer is actually uncured gel polish, which isn't a problem if you're going to use a gel top coat right after. But if you're going to do something like this, or maybe add like glitter or gems or something like that, and you don't want that sticky layer to be there, make sure to remove it with some pure alcohol. But yeah, I'm just going to continue on stamping, and as you might see in a little bit, like a little later in this video, I am going to redo my thumbnail as well as my pointer finger, because I felt like the stamp designs were a little bit like too finely lined, if you know what I mean. I felt like the other nails turned out way more opaque. As you can see here already, like on the middle finger, it is way more opaque than the stamped image that I got onto my pointer as well as my thumb. So that is the really cool thing about stamping on top of a gel manicure, especially if you're doing this on top of a fully finished manicure with top coat and all, because you can easily remove it within seconds and just reapply another design, or maybe use a different polish. Sometimes stamping polishes don't work as well. Maybe you don't have stamping polishes and you're stuck with using regular polishes, which isn't a bad thing, because you can definitely use regular nail polishes for stamping as well. You just have to make sure that they are really pigmented, maybe have a lot of like shimmery pigment in them or colored pigments, because the more pigmented they are, the more opaque they will transfer once you use them as stamping polishes. So yeah, no worries if you feel like I don't have stamping polishes, I don't want to purchase them, maybe you can't afford to purchase them. I totally understand. Just work with what you have. And yeah, here you could see I have already removed the designs from my thumb as well as my pointer finger, and I am going to apply some other images which were just way more opaque. I have used exactly the same polish for all of the designs that I have stamped on my nails, so yeah, it definitely was the image on the plate for me in this particular like moment of stamping that made it look too sheer and just not opaque enough. Because the glitter is quite like holographic in your face, it is super shiny, shimmery, glittery goodness. You need a good opaque color and just really like defined images, if you know what I mean. So yeah, definitely keep an eye out for that, and try out some different things as well. If you feel like maybe the plate is a problem, maybe my stamper isn't working well, maybe I need to switch up the polish, just try to rule out every single thing that might cause your image not to transfer nicely or opaque or anything like that, and I'm sure you will figure it out. Of course, if you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section down below. And after you're done stamping, make sure it is completely dry. I'd say wait at least like 3 to 5 minutes, then go in with your top coat. You can use a regular top coat as well. I actually went in with another layer of that Madam Glam no wipe top coat because I just love that stuff so much. It is insanely good. Oh, and I do have a 30% discount code for Madam Glam that you can use in their web store. I'm not sponsored or being paid or anything like that to share it with you. I just really genuinely love the brand. But yeah, of course, make sure to remove all of the excess polish from the skin surrounding your nail, and your manicure is fully done. Let me know what you think about this, and of course what you think about Halloween, and I'd love to see you in my next video.